Let's be real, lovelies. Starting a business isn't easy. Maybe you have tried network marketing, retail, or even freelancing, only to realize the challenges are bigger than you expected. I'm one of them. Dealing with people, managing inventory, chasing payments, and handling endless rejections. I've been there. Trust me. I've been a networker. I've tried network marketing. Traditional retail, I've tried different types of them and very many more, but nothing compares to the freedom and income potential of making money online. This is why I sing about making money online every day, every hour, every minute, year and out. I have very many different reasons, but you guys, why do you think it's not easy? Because online business eliminate many of the struggles that I've mentioned above that come with traditional businesses. In this video, I'm giving you 5 powerful reasons why making money online is the best way to earn, and that's why you should start it today, not even tomorrow. And as I told you, even if you have a traditional business, you can do online business. I've seen people do it. Where I work, they do it. It is now inevitable for a business not to make money online because they have to have their presence online. Now, what about you? You are holding a smartphone and still the only thing is to take photo, put on Facebook. What you can do is to open an account on TikTok, start making live, which are endless but they are not payable. Without doing ado, you guys, let me appreciate to our royal fans. And when we talk about royal fans, I mean the royal individuals that come on every video that we post, that we premiere here. You're so much appreciated and I love you so much. Please, I don't forget you. And to our students who have entrusted us, even to our fellow YouTubers who are coming up and asking us questions, masterclass students, I love you so much. You guys, let's dive in and see what are these 5 reasons. One of it is independence. When I talk about independence, I see you guys, it's very hard to deal with people. And with online business, no dealing with people direct. Am I really with you? Am I forcing you to do something? Do you put even if you do anything, I cannot be held responsible. One of the biggest reasons I switched to making money online is independence. In most traditional businesses that I did, your income depends on dealing with customers, business partners, or clients. If they don't buy, you don't get. You don't get money at all. If they cancel orders, you lose profits. But here we are, you guys. With this online business and online income, you are in full control, whether it is affiliate marketing, selling digital products, YouTube, or content creation that I do. You're not begging anyone to buy from you. The system works even when you're not working. Here there is freedom, control, you guys. There's freedom and there's also control in online income. When I'm to give you my personal experience, I remember one of my best spiritual father one time told me, some years back, Christine, I'll never deal with human beings. But remember, human beings are very difficult machines to manage, even to operate. If you ever look for a difficult machine, is a human being. Human beings will never appreciate. In the business I've done, either people will think you're taking advantage of them. They will even put names, you're making money out of them. Let it be network marketing. Network marketing is the worst business I've ever done, because you deal with people. You have to have followers. You have to make your legs grow, and in those legs grow, especially when you get people who think they know much, or when you get people who are not straight, you will suffer. It will make you hate network marketing. And network marketing is one of the best business everybody can do because it is more streams of income. But because you have to deal direct with people, and some people don't like, not some people, most people don't like people to be ahead of them. When someone sees you're going ranks, will get jealous, will say, why not me? And is not putting the work inside there. The second one is low startup cost. This one is why I decided to go online. why I decided to sing online business. Low startup cost and fewer risks. Starting a traditional business is expensive, you guys. When I hear someone telling me I want to start a business, it has to have fixed assets, it has to have physical address. You need money for inventory, rent, marketing, license, and many more. And if it fails, you lose thousands of dollars. I've seen, taking an example of even business women and men that are coming up where I stay right now in United Arab Emirates and even the whole world. They decide to go there, but because the startup costs are very high and most people don't have streams of income like this one, if at all you have a stream of income like the passive one, it is very easy to do your business. So whatever I advise you guys, start with online and get passive income, whatever, then you can go into traditional business. You can keep investing than being called a very big names when you are not in wrong. But online business, you guys, many can be started for free or with just a small investment. You can just start like a YouTube channel, like the way I started. I started with my phone, and no, this phone was not expensive. Remember, by then even it was not even Samsung. Now I am not having any issue with having any type of a gadget, but you can start with your smartphone, whichever type it is. You can start affiliate marketing with a free blog or social media. You can even do drop servicing with zero upfront cost. You people, here we have less risks, we have less stress, but unlimited earning potential. Don't forget that you can avoid working with people indirectly. You get it. You can work with them indirectly, like the one I'm working with you. I have a lot of people that I work with but it's not direct, it is indirect. That's how online business is, which brings low investments with high rewards. The third one is passive income. Passive income potential here is very high. You earn while you sleep. As I recorded this video, as I came out of my bed, I was checking my phone, how much did I earn yesterday? But with online income, you can create a system that works for you 24/7. But with traditional business, you only make money when you work. If you don't sell anything, it means your income stops. If you don't go to work, it means that they will be cut. Imagine waking up for money from YouTube video you posted weeks ago. That is green content. Affiliate sales from content you made months ago. A digital product that keeps selling automatic. How do you feel? This is what we make. Making money online is a game changer. It builds long-term wealth. And I always said, make money even when you sleep, like what I do. The fourth one here, you guys, is unlimited earning potential. No income caps at all. This is what I've loved. In traditional job or business, your income is often limited, like my salary is limited to some amount of money until the 12 months finish. They will choose either to add you or they will choose not to add you. The power is in their hands. There is only so much you can sell in a day, and there is a limit to how much people will pay you. But online, you guys, there are no income caps. What do I mean? A YouTube video can reach millions of people. A digital product can sell thousands of items. Affiliate commissions can keep increasing every month. The internet does not sleep, and neither does your income potential sleep. So please, no limits here on online business. No bossy, no boss. You're a boss yourself, and just growth. What about that? It is so beautiful and marvelous. Work from anywhere is the fifth point. There is total flexibility here. Here, you guys, making money online gives you freedom. I enjoy it so much. You want to work from your bed or from your home? You can. You want to travel and still earn? No problem. This is what I always do. As you people, this video, I'm going to be editing it as I travel. Trust me. I think I will put a photo to show you that I'll be traveling. You want to work your own hours? You decide. I know how many times should I work on my projects. Unlike traditional business that you are in a physical location I'm a testimony. I have to go to travel to go to work every day. Online income allows you to work from anywhere in the world. Your business runs from your phone or laptop. No office, no stress, no limitations. It is at comfort of my home. You guys, now that you've seen why you should start making money online, there is independence, there is low startup costs. Do you know, knowing that you're not dealing with any person like a customer, no sales pressure? What about starting with little or to no money? I am a living testimony. Earning even while you sleep, you guys. I'm trying to remove that excitement of finding myself waking up to 3 waiting for the income that I've earned. I now I'm trying to make it like it's a norm. I'm trying to get used to it. Then you get your salary with no caps. Here you determine the money you want. I know the experience of us who are working that you even try to praise your bosses for them to recommend you to add $1, $2, $3. I know how it feels. I suffered that for good years for me to be added some money. And on top of that, you people, it's lovely to work at the comfort of your home. Sometimes I'm laying in my bed and working. When I decide to go in a living room, I decide. When I decide to be wherever I am, I do. Guys, which of these would you like to try? These 5 reasons are very important to you and to me. Please, I would love you to drop your comment below and tell me which of these 5 reasons can you try. I'm replying everybody that is going to put something on the screen. Please start today because you're late. You would have started yesterday. I love you so much. See you in another video. Bye bye.